Miss Casio is no longer
Remainder theorem. So find the remainder
in questioning her,
of
Mr. Chair,
x raised to 4
consistently lied.
plus 4x cubed
Mr. Insap,
minus x squared
and they
minus 16x
that
minus 4
is actually involved
when divided
Pogo, which of course Miss Kationg has
by x minus 2. So pag ganito kasi madali lang to mahanap, di ba? Kailangan para mo lang siyang i-divide, di ba? Sa dinidivide natin, ini-equate mo lang yung divisor sa 0. So kapag in-equate natin yung divisor natin divisor natin sa 0, yung magiging value ng x natin diyan is what? 2, di ba? So magkakaroon tayo ng x equals to 2 ngayon. Para ma-check natin kung ano yung remainder, ipa-plug lang natin yun sa given natin. So, ibig sabihin, lagyan mo ng parenthesis para in case may mga negative, hindi ka mamamali. Ay, minus 4. Okay? Then, tsaka natin i-plug yung 2.
Then may I move that a subpoena address
So, 2 raised to 4 magiging
be issued to Duan Red Books. So move is a check.
meron din. Try muna natin to. So, ano yung 2 raised to 4 natin?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
16. That's correct. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 16 plus, unahin muna yung
Mr. H.
exponent. Magkakaroon tayo ng 8
The solar
minus 4
in Cebu.
minus 32
May I
minus 4.
request for
Gets yun, no? So, magkakaroon tayo ng 16 plus 832.
as well as the articles of incorporation.
Minus 4 minus 32 minus 4. So, anong final answer natin? Total left to right lang naman ito eh.
Which that the invitation
6 plus 32
LRA
minus 4 minus 13.
tax debt for Cebu City and the articles of incorporation addressed to the Securities and Exchange Commission. So move, Mr. Chair.
SEC and LRA, please comply. There is a motion to compel LRA and SEC to submit to the committee the documents.
So, ano magiging final answer natin? So, 6, ito kasi maka-cancel na to. Diba? Tapos, ito magiging 16 minus 4 minus 4 magiging 8. So, ibig sabihin, meron tayong remainder na 8. So, another example kasi may space pa naman.
May I know your name, Attorney?
So, find the remainder of
Attorney Elizalde of
5x squared minus 2x
LRA.
plus 1
Yes, please proceed.
when divided
Oh, you have already.
by x plus 2.
Thank you.
So, hinahanap natin yung remainder, no?
SEC.
Wait lang. Number 2 muna tayo.
So, concept.
So, gamitan natin kung magiging tama ba siya sa tawag dito. Sa synthetic. Tsaka sa yung remainder niya sa synthetic. Pati sa
Adding to the committee.
remainder theorem kung parehas. So, sa remainder theorem. So, gamit yung remainder theorem, mahanap natin yung remainder. So, equate lang natin to sa 0. Therefore, yung x natin is equals to negative 2. Okay. So, i-plug lang natin yon yung negative 2.
We need those documents.
Sa parenthesis muna sa lahat ng exponent variables. Tsaka ma-plug yung negative 2. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 5 times 4 plus 4 plus 1. Then, 20 plus 5 is equals to 25. So, ito yung remainder natin. So, kapag ginamitan natin ng synthetic division, makukuha rin natin yung remainder. So, dahil nga, okay naman yung exponent natin, 2, 1, tsaka constant. Lagay na lang natin yun. Yung mga exponent, yung mga coefficient. So 5, negative 2 tapos 1. Tapos ito yung magiging remainder, di ba? Yung last part. So bring down, magiging negative 10, magiging negative 12. Then negative, positive 24, which is 25 yung remainder. So pares lang.
If it's related to the
No, it's something else.
Ganyan.